Yo, man, squad, I used to go on and shooting right at Stanton turns on Mountain View, you know. Yeah, man. Man, right at Stanton on Mountain View, bike, man. It's a gunshot him gets in up on the ground. So that's a big crime scene soon.
14-year-old boy shot along with another man in Mountain View Avenue, St. Andrew. The 14-year-old boy did not survive the ordeal. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk. So a 14-year-old boy has fallen victim to what is plaguing our land, and that is crime and violence. But before I divulge the details of that, let me just backtrack a little to the initial report of this newscast that I'm about to update you with. So in the initial presentation of our report, I know that you saw a video, and that was actually the scene where the incident took place on Mountain View Avenue. So there were two individuals lying on the ground, one motionless and the other trying to make some form of movement, and a bike was actually on the ground as well. A number of bystanders were there looking on in fear and in shock as this unfolded right in front of their eyes. So when we look on what is going on in relation to crime and violence in our country, it's very sad to see that children are becoming the victim of the heinous act. And most of the time these children, they are innocent and they are just caught in the crossfire. And most of the time as well, they are not safe based on the fact that they are witness to the actual event that take place in most of these occasions. Now in this recent development and story that we're about to bring you, a 14-year-old boy lost his life and another man in a shooting incident along Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew on Thursday. So the teenager has been identified as 14-year-old Allan Roberts of a compound pathway, Nannyville, Kingston 13. Police reports, and this is coming from the Halfway Tree police station, are that about 4:30 p.m. Allan and another man was on a motorcycle when they were traveling along a roadway when they were pounced upon by two men who opened fire, hitting both of them. The police were alerted and the victims were taken to the hospital and they were admitted and treated. However, the 14-year-old boy succumbed to his injuries soon after. Detectives assigned to the St. Andrew Police Central Division are actually probing this latest incident. Now, this young boy was actually just 14 years old. I'm not sure whether he was involved in anything or he was just in the wrong company at the wrong time, but he was still young, still promising, and even if he was involved in something, or even if the other party was involved in something, this is what is happening in our current era and our current way in which we are living. The hearts of people have gone cold, and most of the times this situation could have been dealt with differently. But people in this current time, they're not talking over things. They just resort to violent acts. And most of the time, your life will be taken in these circumstances. So you have to be very careful and be mindful of certain situations and things that you get yourself involved with at times. Because most of the time, innocent people, they are caught in the dragnet, and they themselves are becoming victims of things that they don't even have any clue of what or where it stems from. So this is really a shocking news. Can you just imagine that news when the mother heard that her 14-year-old son will not be spending Christmas with her. Can you imagine the other family members when they would have heard of the shocking news that took place in the Mountain View Avenue area in St. Andrew? When is this going to stop? When will we try and find other means and ways of settling out differences? Resorting to violent acts is not the key, because most of the time we're taking the lives of innocent people. Children are being taken out even before they have even lived any life. This young boy was just 14 years old. He would be in high school at this current moment. This would be like around grade 8 going into grade 9 age group. And when we look, his seat in that classroom on January morning will be empty. What a situation. Such a sad situation to report on. And this happened on Thursday in the Mountain View Avenue area in St. Andrew around 4:30 p.m. Still bright, still a lot of people, and this happened in full view of many. So it just goes to show you that these individuals, they're heartless and they don't care what they do. Whichever place you're at or whichever location, they will come and they will get you. So this is just where we're gonna leave this one for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And I just want to take this opportunity from Links 007 TV just to express my condolences to the family and friends of Allan Roberts of a compound pathway, Nannyville, Kingston 13. This is where I'm going to leave this report for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV. Please remember, like, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bless.